It's summertime at Coventry Kitchen.
And you know what that means? It's time for our classic summer dish, a paella.
Woo!
I don't think that's gonna fit.
Yeah, this is way too small.
What are we gonna do?
I don't think we can do a paella. It's summertime at Coventry Kitchen.
And you know what that means? It's time for our classic summer dish, the Great Australian Barbecue.
Now, it's not summer without a classic Australian barbecue.
And in Australia, it's a bit of a tradition that everyone brings their own dish to a barbecue.
So Luke and I are going to make a couple of our...
Don't forget about me, guys!
Adam, you're back.
Yeah, I'm going to be cooking a dish as well for this barbie. I think I'm going to cook snacks. What are you guys doing?
I was thinking of making some honey soy and marinated chicken skewers.
And I'm going to do my classic barbecued pork shoulder al pastor.
Is that Australian? Yeah, looks like I got everything for the chicken.
No snacks, though. I need to do a run to the shops.
I can run to the shops that you need.
Could grab a few beers while you're there.
Beers. We've got Oscar's juice.
I thought we told you not to make that again.
Alright, I'll head off. Yep, Norris.
Beers. Sausage.
And the sausages, Oscar. Don't forget them.
Don't like that song.
So while Oscar's shopping, let's get started on the honey soy marinade.
So, Luke, what goes into a honey soy marinade?
Well, it's pretty self-explanatory. You start with some soy, honey, chicken, then add that stuff. First add your soy. Add the honey.
So, Luke, which part of Australia does this come from?
And finally, grate in a bit of garlic. Mix all the ingredients together until it's nice and consistent.
Can I do anything to help?
No. Now add the chicken to the marinade. And then just store in the fridge until you're ready to use.
We can't start cooking until Oscar comes back. You've been doing anything?
Not really, not since last week.
Now I need beers, that's for sure. Sausages, I know Adam's making the sausages. And pork shoulder, who's making that? Weird call. Here we go.
Shouldn't be that by now.
Just got to go to Woolies, which is...
Just around the corner.
He took his car keys.
I don't know why I did that.
Alright. Dan's parking. Let's get some beers. That's all I needed, right? Beers. Oh, and sausages. Can't even think straight. Definitely need a beer.
Can I give him a call?
He'll be right.
You got the beers!
Where are the sausages?
Sausages? Oh, don't worry. No, it's alright. I got some. I think I got some.
Oh my god. We can't use those, Oscar.
Alright. No sausages then. Oh. How about that?
They're still cold.
They're in date.
Oh, yeah. Beer?
Oh yeah, cheers, mate.
Nice.
What beer is this?
Beer.
Should we go cooking?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Yeah,
Wait, Oscar, does your pork shoulder need much time?
shouldn't it go in before ours?
Oh, pork shoulder. No. That only takes like 5 minutes to cook, man.
Pork shoulder, how pretentious.
Pretentious. It takes like 8 hours to cook. I'm not eating that. Your chicken should be done marinating now.
So let's get the barbie ripping hot and let's get cooking.
Not you two.
Let's get cooking. Better not.
How's the barbie going?
Oh, it's going good. Yep, it's alright.
Is it on?
No, not yet, but yeah, it's alright.
Alright.
Yep. Oscar, could you help me put the barbie on?
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on.
Gas is it?
Let's get this hot.
Yeah. Get you. Funny thing is, I don't even know how to make pork shoulder. Excuse me.
Who are you talking to, Oscar?
I'm just talking to the Jew.
Oh. If you're not doing anything, would you mind taking the folks at home through a nice summer cocktail?
Yeah. Let's do that. welcome to Drinks with Oscar. Yeah, so when you're making a cocktail, you want to balance 4 key things: alcohol, sugar, acid, and dilution. Now we can off the dilution, and I don't really like acid. Sugar, I gotta watch my weight. So really, alcohol content is the main thing you want to look out for. So, let's just get the juice out. Oh yeah. The juice.
Not the juice. Oscar, no.
Oh. 7 months of fermenting. Oh. Ah. Oh yeah.
With the barbie nice and hot, just put your skewers on evenly across.
Something smells good!
When they look like this, done.
Time to put the sausages on the grill.
While the snags are cooking, get your accoutrement ready.
These look ready to me. Oscar, can you set the table?
Oh! Yeah.
Lunch is ready.
I've got the sausages.
Somebody sauce me up.
Yeah.
Oh, no, not that. I brought my own sauce. Ah, lovely. Lovely. I didn't say when. Keep going, please. A little bit more.
Okay.
Bit more. Come on, keep it going, keep it coming. Bit more, please. Not quite there yet, just a tiny bit more. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That was pretty good, but I'm gonna wash it down with a beer, and I'm gonna scull it.
I don't think that's a very good idea, Oscar.
Skull.
Let's go!
Alright. Skull. Skull. Can I week now.
That was a good watch. Wasn't there supposed to be a pork shoulder?
Oscar, the pork shoulder was literally your idea. Like, it's gone on too much.
We thought the juice was done last year. Like, I didn't think it was ever going to come back.
Like, this kitchen is about fairness. It's about all three of us putting in together for this show. And you're just not putting there. Like, Adam might not be in the kitchen all the time, but at least he's out there doing stuff.
We thought you were past that hurdle, and it's disappointing to see that you're not.
Oh, I don't remember that.
You weren't even in the last episode, now you're drunk. Like, come on. Oh,
Too much juice.
And I'm such piss. I mean, Oscar's juice, it's not drinkable. It's not even close to drinkable.
I was excited for pork shoulder. I thought, okay, Oscar's actually going to do something this week, but no.
You're still up, Oscar? Can you turn the lights off when you're done?